Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z6 II and transform it into a professional live streaming powerhouse with this comprehensive guide. First, let's get connected. You'll need an HDMI cable to output your Z6i's video signal. Connect one end to the HDMI out port on your camera. On the other end, you'll connect this to an HDMI capture card. This little device is crucial for translating your camera's signal into a format your computer can understand. Choose a reputable capture card that supports the resolution and frame rate you intend to stream at. Most modern ones will handle HD and even 4K video. Plug your capture card into a USB port on your computer. This is how the video information will flow into your streaming software. Ensure your computer recognizes the capture card. You might need to install drivers provided by the capture card manufacturer for optimal performance. Now, let's configure the camera. Turn on your Z6 II and navigate to the Live View display settings. In the playback menu, find the HDMI display option. Select HDMI and eye level display to ensure a clean signal is sent to your capture card, free of distracting camera information. Next, go to the shooting menu and find the video settings here. You'll want to set your frame size and frame rate for most platforms like YouTube and Twitch. 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second is a great starting point. For audio, you have a few excellent options. You can use your camera's internal microphone, but for significantly better quality, an external microphone is recommended. Connect your external microphone to the camera's microphone input. You can then adjust audio levels in the camera's audio settings or within your streaming software. Finally, let's talk software. Popular choices include OBS Studio, Streamlabs, OBS, and XSPLIT Broadcaster. We'll use OBS Studio for this demonstration. Open your chosen streaming software and add a new source. Select video capture device and choose your connected capture card from the drop-down menu. Configure the device properties to match your camera's output resolution and frame rate. For audio, select your capture card or external microphone as the audio input device. Test your audio levels to ensure they are not clipping or too quiet. You can adjust these in your camera settings or within the software's audio mixer. With these steps, your Nikon Z6 II is now ready to deliver professional live streams to your audience. Happy streaming!